Got this air compressor today. It's made by a company called EMAX. It's a Hulk air compressor. It's supposed to have some kind of silent air technology. Anyway, it's got a huge compressor on the back with dual pistons and all, and man, it really fills up fast. Anyway, I want y'all to hear how quiet this thing is. First, I'll show you what the back side of it looks like. You notice right there, it's got a real switch, a real compressor switch that measures the pressure in the tank. Not some plastic stuff like you see on those cheap ones. Stainless steel hoses. All right, I'm fixing to let some air out of it and let it turn on so y'all can see how quiet it is. Barely can't hear it run. Nothing like my porta cable that I had anyway. It makes a little bit of noise, but it ain't nowhere near as loud as the other. It's supposed to be about 41 decibels. Watch how fast it fills up. It's almost there. That fast.